Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 26th of September. Hope you had a great weekend. We're going to start with the FTSE today, and these were the zones that we spoke about in the report this morning. We said that we continued to show weakness across all time frames on the global indices. FTSE had found support at the key zone of 69.72 to 69.82. Acceptance below 7010 to 7020 could see another move to that area, but below there we should only be selling with aggressive risk management. And as we were extended on the higher time frames, the next key zone was at 6775 to 6790. We said resistance today came in at 7075 to 7085. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so straight off the bat, you can see here we got this push up into that resistance zone at 7075 to 7085. We got that there. It did get a really nice reaction. We got a nice signal there. Personally, I was looking for just a liquidity grab of this overnight high level. That would have been a really, really nice trade and one that we were sort of looking to take ourselves. But we just didn't quite do that, but we did put in the reversal signal there, and that headed down lower. When we did see, you notice we did hold this 7010 to 7020 zone as support initially. A very dangerous long, especially against the overall trend, which is quite strong at the moment. But notice as soon as we got the acceptance here below, we moved straight down into that 69.72 to 69.82 zone. We moved straight through it, no reversals, and we actually held its resistance a little bit here. This pattern here was probably a bit of a continuation. The moving averages had started to level out a little bit, so not the best, but nevertheless that was a potential for a reversal, having seen that acceptance below that zone. Looking for a continuation down. That would have lost, and we just then got a little bit of chop around this zone for the rest of the session until in the US session we've opened up and we've pushed higher. So had a little bit of a false break of this zone on the higher time frames. This will look like a bit of a liquidity grab of that area. If you actually look on the hourly chart, you will see that here. So you'll notice on the hourly chart, this is actually, if this had been slightly higher entry, that would have been a really nice reversal with a liquidity grab below that zone, but the entry was just into that zone, so not the best, but you can see the same sort of those liquidity grabs that we're always looking for. It has sort of played out. We've now got this really strong reaction above that zone, so we'll see where the market heads overnight, and then we will reassess in the morning. But certainly the best trades today were this initial one at the open, and then the breakdown of that 7010 to 7020 zone to target down towards that key support zone. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so these are the zones on the DAX that we had in today's reports. We said that we continued to show weakness still. Further sustained breaks below 12,165 to 195. Could see further downside with initial resistance coming in today at 12,305 to 12,330 with further resistance at 12,390 to 12,415. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so you can see we opened up here and we've got that really strong push off that 12,165 to 190, so really, really strong impulsive push off there on the open. We suggested that we was going to move up into that initial resistance zone at 12,305 to 12,330. Nothing really clear. You can see no real firm acceptance above there, no reversals from that area either for us to get involved in. However, once we did fall away down here, we saw another move back down to that support zone. If we had taken out these lows here, a bit of liquidity grab and reversal, then that was potentially a long as well, although any longs are a little bit dangerous at the moment, but because we are overall bearish in the market. But so when that happens, you really want to be looking for higher time frame reversals from the key zone. So we then have seen this push up higher. This zone, I would imagine, looks like it's going to have to be adjusted slightly higher tomorrow. We've got this push here, and then also a little bit of resistance over here. So my guess is that this zone is probably 5 or 10 points off today and needs to be pushed a little bit higher tomorrow. But no acceptance above there to get us into any trouble. If you actually look at those higher time frame reversals, or higher time frame charts, you'll see that we did get this false break signal on the DAX at this here, and just about enough there to get a 1-to-1 risk to reward down into that zone. So really, that was probably the only trade of the day on the DAX. We had those couple of opportunities on the FTSE, then a little bit of chop around that key support zone on the FTSE as well. So those are the opportunities today. I hope you found this useful. Please let me know what you think. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join the Keyzone service. It's completely free. You get to join the Keyzone Traders community and get these reports before the market opens. So and really add extra value to your trading. So please, if you haven't already, come sign for that. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you had a good start to the week. I wish you all the success in your trading this week, and I will speak to you again soon. Cheers.